Good day, followers and friends, and Dr. Jimmy Stips, Dr. Jimmy Henderson. Today I'm going to talk about perspectives and worldviews. A lot of problems we have in the world, disagreements, wars even, are due to the phenomena or concept of different perspectives. In other words, each person grows up in a certain culture, a certain time, with certain beliefs and certain values. And they're used to that and they accept that, and that is the way they look. And this is the way they look at the world, through a lens. So we're all looking at the lens through different lenses. And it gives us what we call the world view. And each of these are different. And we should acknowledge each of them as equal and as equally important to that particular person or particular group. And therefore, it's not a good idea to try and force people into taking over your perspective or taking over your opinion or worldview, because it's actually not fair. That person has brought up into that worldview, that perspective on the world, and they're entitled to it. In fact, it's their opinion. So what we need to do is to learn to embrace diversity and not attempt to dilute other people's worldviews or perspectives. So respect them. And the only way we're going to do that is reach a point where we have a charter, of a brotherhood charter, where we accept each other as brothers, and it's based on tolerance. Tolerance of each person's perspective. In that way, we can agree to disagree if we have a disagreement, and it doesn't become a major issue.